Okay, so we've got these four parallel lines right here, 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 and here. Okay, excuse me. And it says that that AB, this segment right here, is equal in length to this segment here, which is equal in length to this segment here. Okay, so whenever you get this happening, some transversal through parallel lines is cutting off congruent segments in one transversal, then they cut off congruent segments on every transversal. So if this here is 8.6, then so is this, and so is this. If this here, ML, is 8.7, then so is this, and so is this. So what are they asking for? Find KL. Well, KL is right here, okay? And that's just a single segment there. So if this is 8.7, then so is this. So KL is 8.7. So we already know that it's got to be either this one or this one, okay? Doesn't say KL is 8.7 here, so it can't be. Now, what else do we know? Okay, we know that they're asking about FG, which is this segment, okay, and that's one of the congruent segments in this transversal. So if this is 8.6, then so is GF or FG. So FG is 8.6, and so this one has it, and this one has it. The only one that has them both marked correctly is B. So the answer is B.